I'm going to use the same scale again. Each grid line is worth represents 3 centimeters. And so what do we've got? Here's my mirror, and it's got a focal length of 15 centimeters, and my object is at 25. That would be right about there, and it's 10 centimeters in height. I think that's pretty close. So here's 15, there's 25, and this is 30. Okay, so let's start with red. The light comes in parallel, comes out through the focal point, and then let's do the next one. Comes in through the focal point, comes out parallel, and then let's do another one. Comes in to the vertex, something like that. It doesn't look too bad. So it looks to me like there's going to be an image over here. So let's see how close we are by putting some numbers in. And we know that 1 over s plus 1 over s prime is 1 over the focal length. And in this case, our focal length is the same, but our object distance is 25 centimeters, positive 25 centimeters. So we end up with an image distance of positive 37.5 centimeters. So it's a real image. The light rays are actually joining together at the image and coming from the image as if there was a real object there. So 37.5, let's see what I got from my drawing. My drawing looks like about 35. And my actual answer is 37.5, so not too bad. Roughly in the same place. And this is real. And let's take a look at our magnification. We expect it from our drawing to be a little bit bigger. Let's see what we actually get here. My magnification minus s prime over s. 37.5 over 25 is negative 1.5. So negative tells us it's inverted from the original. And let's take a look. We get inverted, and yeah, I'm not sure my drawing is coming out at 1.5 times, but definitely bigger, 10 to 15% bigger than the original, maybe not 50% bigger. So again, ray tracing gives you a good idea of where things are at. Punch in the numbers to the equation to find out exactly where they're at. So what do we end up here? We end up with a position of 37.5 centimeters. We end up with a size of 15 centimeters, and orientation that is inverted with respect to the object, and a real image.